I started Lenexa back in 2012 as a lifeguard at Flower Rock Creek Pool. You know, I really was kind of right off the bat attracted to the culture of Lenexa, you know, the relationships that you can build throughout the way.
My mom actually found it. She was looking around for jobs that like 15-year-olds could apply for, and she found the Lenexa page, and it had lifeguards and cashiers, all of the different options.
I really enjoyed working with my friends, and even though like people from my school don't work here, I've made new friends, so that's been really fun. I also really enjoy that I'm able to work on like self-betterment and like work towards higher positions.
Once I got to know everyone, I just fell in love with it.
I think it's just really the community atmosphere. When I started as a cashier, that's kind of when I started to realize like it's more than just a job, it's just like a friendly place to work to make friends.
All the coworkers are really nice, and everyone just gives off really positive vibes.
You really can get more out of this job than just a paycheck. You build lifelong friends. You can develop, you know, skills like your people skills, talk to customers, even like your leadership skills. I mean, you can get more out of this job.
Lifeguarding has definitely taught me a lot of different things. It's taught me life-saving skills like CPR. I can like apply to outside of lifeguarding if somebody actually has an emergency, and I can potentially save somebody's life outside of the pool.
I've picked up, I would say like quite a few, like talking to people, which has definitely been like a major thing because you talk to a lot of patrons. Being a lifeguard, you're not really by yourself. You work as a team, and so I think that's what also makes us like very close together.
I think people should definitely come work at Lenexa just because the environment here is so fun and so welcoming.
You get a lot of new job experience and like customer service. It's got a really positive environment, so many nice people, and if you want to get tan during the summer, this is the job to get.
It's just an area where you can come here and just feel comfortable working here.